Did you know BobCAD's cylindrical stock offers two options that make setting up round stock faster? Let's take a look. We'll go to the stock wizard and choose cylindrical stock. And from here, we have two options. We have a bounding box, and we also have a bounding cylinder. You'll notice that the bounding box did not calculate the right diameter circle to encompass our part. If we go to our bounding cylinder, you'll notice BobCAD uses a different calculation to find our stock center and size. We can use our enter value to change the diameter of our stock, and any value we add to the height would be added to the bottom of our part. To learn about tips and tricks using BobCAD, call us today or subscribe to our channel for next week's tip. See you then.